Hey, are you looking for a new mouse? Looking for a productivity mouse that has programmable buttons to be more efficient? Well, the Logitech MX Master 3 might be the mouse for you. In this video, I'm going to go over my Logitech MX Master 3 and wait till the end to see if this is the best productivity mouse for you. First, thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ryan and this is the Elevate Project, to help professionals like you elevate your remote office tech, productivity, and be more confident and engaging on your online presentations, maybe YouTube, virtual meetings, working from home. Working from home with a work laptop or personal laptop can be great. The trackpad is great with shortcuts, swipes, finger scrolling, left click, tap, double tap, and your favorite combination to get things done in your workflow. If you're watching this video, you're ready to buy a new mouse to have a more permanent desk setup, and there are a lot of mice to choose from. Now, if you're looking for a gaming mouse, this is not the video for you. If you drill down to the MX Master 3 that can give you the various options to stay productive, stay tuned. Now, I have been using Logitech mouses for over a decade. My first productivity mouse was the Logitech MX Revolution cordless laser mouse back in 2010. Now, it was an amazing wireless mouse, worked well, and as the battery started to die, I used an Apple trackpad for a long time, and then I upgraded to the Logitech MX Master 2S. Now, that was an amazing mouse, and it was the best productivity mouse of choice till I recently updated to this Logitech MX Master 3. The Logitech MX Master 3 is a wireless mouse that can be connected through Bluetooth or with the Logitech Unified USB connection. It is made well and has infinite scrolling, comfortable to maneuver, and works on every surface of my desk, so there's no need for a dedicated mouse pad. One major thing to note is this is made for right-handed people. And at the time of this recording, there isn't a left-handed option for the MX Master 3. So apologize to all the southpaws out there. Now, this mouse also has a great side scroll wheel and buttons and comes in handy when working on an ultra wide monitor or any monitor working on Excel files or video editing software, which makes this shine. What is great about this mouse is that it is programmable through the Logitech software. So let's review the software and go through the options and set it to my personal preferences really quickly. I have the MX Keys. I also have the MX Master 3 for Mac. So what's great about the software is you can customize all the different buttons. By default, there are a lot of great things that are already pre-programmed, so you can use this right out of the box. You don't necessarily need to use the software if you're okay with the default setting. So as you can see on the bottom, you can definitely see that I have restored the defaults. If you ever want to make any changes, you can go through the feature tour. So right off the bat, here is the wheel mode shift. So what that basically means, the scrolling wheel could be infinite or it will give you a little bit of friction so you can have better control of your scroll. Now, when you click on that button, you can change it to all these different gestures or actions. If you go to more, it will do the exact same thing. And there is a lot of different things that you can do, and they're even labeled in different categories, advantages and opportunities to make this more productive. Now, here is the middle button. There is another button here. I use it as a gesture button, which is really nice, so which makes me go in and out on the Mac. And of course, here, as you can see, there are more options. So I do have virtual desktops, so I use this to shift between desktops on my computer. And I do have this set up differently on my work computer. And again, you have a recommended, you have navigation, you have media control, mouse commands, system commands. There are a lot of different options that you can really dial this in to what you want. My personalized settings is really just the wheel mode shift that I change, as well as the top button. Now, what's great is you can really dial this in to what you'd like. It has an added benefit of what is called flow. When you set up flow, you can literally just move your mouse to one of the sides of the computer and it will automatically switch to the other computer. I haven't enabled this for one main reason. is because my work computer is typically on VPN while I'm working, and it doesn't work when it's on VPN. You have to be basically on the same network. If you have MX Keys or a Logitech keyboard that is also has the flow feature, when you move your mouse, it will also move over your keyboard as well. Now, my favorite feature of this mouse is that I can connect this mouse to 3 different computers or devices and switch between them with a click of a button. I can easily switch from my Mac or Windows computer and a tablet. Now, this mouse isn't perfect. It does have a few issues that I've gone through that I'll talk about a little bit later. But continuing on, this does have a long battery life, and when needed, you just need to plug it in with an included USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, that's nice. And what's really cool is if you forget to charge it and it's dying and you need to use it, you can still plug it in and charge it at the same time, and it'll still be usable so you don't miss a beat. Now, if you're looking for a productivity mouse, this does check off all the boxes if you need to be efficient and productive. With my everyday computing, it fits the bill. I am not a gamer, and so I can't tell you how this mouse performs under those kind of conditions. However, with programmable buttons, you may be able to enjoy this mouse for gaming as well if you are looking for just one mouse for your productivity work as well as for gaming. Now, it does come in a variety of colors, and because I have a Mac, I got the Mac version, which I think is just the color using the mouse. Like I said earlier, I have had a few issues. It isn't perfect. With the programmable buttons, when I switch from device to device for context, I connect this mouse to my MacBook Pro, which is my personal computer, and also my MacBook Air, which is my work computer, and my iPad Pro. When switching between the devices, the buttons sometimes get reset to the default program buttons because I programmed them for different features on my MacBook Pro and my MacBook Air, and of course, my iPad Pro. Now, this happens when I wake up the computer from time to time, and it doesn't happen every single time. And it does usually fix itself in a few minutes from switching, or I have to open the Logitech software, and it's back to my preferred personalized mapped out buttons. Now, I'm pretty happy with the upgrade, and it works well for all I need to do day to day, especially for editing YouTube videos like this one. The buttons feel good and not too clicky. The side buttons are placed just right and distinguishable for back and forward depending on how you program them and for what program you are using, like an internet window. It easily moves back a page or move forward. Comment below if you change these buttons for anything else and for what. So, is this the best productivity mouse? For me, working from home every single day, this definitely is. And my workflow is pretty simple. Now, depending on what you do for work, comment below and let me know if this is the mouse for you or a mouse you feel is better for productivity. I would love to hear your suggestions. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. It helps the channel out and helps continue to make content like this one. Consider subscribing and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified once I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Be safe, be awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.